Hello, my name is Brian, and I manage the distributed network of one of the largest home decor retail companies in the United States. We have over 400 stores and use Cybera's network services platform to support our enterprise, including our payment application. We are in the middle of a holiday week promotion, which means the organization spent significant amount of money on ads to drive traffic into the stores. As the network manager, I must ensure all our stores are up and operational, especially during this promotional period. Using Cybera's SmartView portal, I can quickly and easily view the health of our stores. Navigating to the Enterprise Manager tab shows the majority of our stores are healthy. These are shown on the map as green. I can also quickly see that there are 3 stores on wireless backup. These are displayed as blue on the map. These stores are experiencing a local internet outage, but fortunately the Cybera solution includes wireless backup, which automatically kicks in to ensure that our business critical applications, such as our payment application, are up and operational, even if there's a local internet outage. I know that these stores are ready to support the promotion. The only store that concerns me is the one highlighted with the red X. Since this store is currently down, SmartView shows me that this affected store is number 554111 in Lubbock, Texas. It also shows that Cybera has proactively opened a customer care ticket. Once I click on the customer care ticket, I'm taken into SmartView's Site Manager tab. This tab provides me in-depth detail on the customer care ticket and a status report as to exactly what's happening and what's being done regarding the problem. Based on this information, I now know that Cybera has already engaged and spoken directly with the affected store. I know exactly what's happening, and I know the specific person I can check with to verify status. I now have the answers I need about store 554111 and when the store's payment systems will be back online. Cybera's SmartView portal provides me the single pane of glass with full visibility into the health of my enterprise. It quickly provides the visibility I need to successfully do my job and to support this critical promotion. Thank you.